my gorditos are gonna be out the whole video. By the way. Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya here. Welcome back to my channel. I can't do this right now because my nails are about to fall off. By today's title, you guys already know that I went all off on Amazon. I bought $1,000 worth of things on Amazon on a very random night. Alright, so I went ahead and I added another light because it looked a little dark and it should be good now. So like I was saying, I bought I bought $1,000 worth of things on Amazon for no reason. Well, some of them have a reason. I do remember some of the things that I bought. Other things I'm like, how did we escalate to this point? Yeah, I thought it was gonna be fun for me to unbox it. They're already open. You guys can see I already like, but I haven't like seen what's inside. Let's get started. I did grab like 2 things out because actually I have the box right here. It was this cool lamp that I bought for my son, and it just like creates stars in his ceiling and stuff because he's still kind of getting used to his new room. So we opened this last night. A lot of these things are like not like, oh my god, but it's pretty cool. First things first, I got this LED strip light. If you guys know, this is like the wave right now. Like all the youngins, all the TikTokers, everybody's just on this wave, so I had to hop on that wave because now I'm a TikToker while attempting. So I was like, this is gonna look so cool when I start doing videos. Up next, this one's heavy. Okay, so I got this drink that kind of caught my eye while I was scrolling. So this is what you would take in the morning after you're really hungover, and this supposedly cures it. Does it work? I have no idea. Okay, so it says when to take right before you drink, between drinks, right after you drink. That is not what it said on the website. So I'm supposed to grab this and take it to the bar and drink it between drinks. And then when I get home drunk, drink more. There's only 6 in here. Well, I think I got scammed. Anyways. Oh my god. Okay, so I bought this really cool knife. What I like about it is because I eat a lot of cilantro and scallions, so this will just make the chopping easier. Like let's say like this is the cilantro and you just go and it chops it up in pieces. I find it really cool because I cook almost every day. This will cut my cooking time in half. I forgot about that. Okay, another cooking thing. I'm telling you guys, I stay in my kitchen. So whenever I'm on Amazon and I see some really cool gadgets, I don't have every gadget right now, but I have a lot. Like for anything, I got it. Even if I don't be cooking that, I got it. So this is a 4-in-1 chopper plus. I have like 2 other choppers downstairs, but not like this. Like I have the manual one, and then I have the one that you like you pull the thing and it chops it up. You guys see that big ass onion piece they put? So just imagine like cutting an onion in half and just like, and it's all fucking chopped. Freaking amazing. Also does like slices, so it slices up like the cucumber, which my son loves cucumber. That was another thing that really caught my eye. So this is really cool and I'm really happy I got this. Okay. For those that don't know, I just moved to my new house. I officially moved permanently to LA, so I need security cameras. That's why I got this. I actually have somebody here today that's gonna be installing them. I watch a lot of murder cases on YouTube. I was watching one. This kid actually like broke inside this couple's house and he killed them. I was like, ain't no little kid or grown ass about to break in the house and get away with it because I don't got no cameras. So okay, next I bought the ring. For those that don't know what ring is, it's like this device. You put it where people usually like ring. And my door is like this freaking thick. It's one of those really thick wooden doors. So whenever somebody knocks, I can't really hear it. They have to like pound on that shit and then I could hear it. So that's why I got this. And then this, so I can kind of have maybe in the living room or wherever I'm at, just to make sure that there's no one around the house. Amazon is having like that Black Friday deals, so I think this was there and I had to cop it. This one won't make sense until I open the other one. Okay, this one I'm really excited about because let me just show you guys. A snow cone maker. So the reason I got this is because in my town we're full of Colombians. Like it's literally 80% of Colombians, and we have raspados like in every corner. A mí me encanta el raspado de coco con lecherita. So here it's very hard to find it. I actually have the syrup already for it and I have lecherita downstairs, so I'm like hyped for this. And I also bought this for Rai because like Rai loves snow cones. So I'm so excited. He's about to wake up too. He's actually sleeping right now. I also got like the cups, the straws. I know they're plastic. I'm sorry. I have metal ones downstairs. Save the turtles. I'm all about that. But it's just what came in this little bundle. Super cute. I got Ryan some Sonic stickers for his bed because the movers, they really messed up his bed and it was brand new. And it has a lot of scratches and a lot of dents and it just like pissed me off. So I got stickers to just cover the problem. I know what this is. We're not showing that. I got him 2 stools. Ryan has his own bathroom in his room, so he struggles to like brush his teeth, wash his hands, or like anything that has to do with the sink. So I got him one for his room and then one for downstairs whenever he needs something like getting his cup or anything, because he likes to be very independent. Let's get this first. Oh my god, yes. I am so excited about this. Okay, mind you, this is one of the things that are very random and I did not have to buy this, but I just bought it because it caught my eye. This is called the Phone Soap 3. Yeah, Phone Soap 3. It's not a soap for your phone, but what it does, it disinfects your phone and it's a machine. Like, this is as bougie as it gets. A mí se me olvidó que yo había comprado esto. Yo, eso es una chimba, like, what? This was also in the deals, so I forgot how much it was, but I think it was like a little expensive, but the deal made it a little less expensive. So this is how it looks. You know how like tanning beds, you go right? This is like one for your phone. And it charges it at the same time. Okay, so it says in just 10 minutes, your phone soap will kill the germs on your phone. And it had really good stars. It's not like it's like a weird product that I'm like so clueless about. I actually read the reviews. What else can I put inside phone soap? As long as it fits and it's not wet, you can sanitize it using phone soap. Credit cards, keys. Oh, so you can actually put anything else in here. So me, I wouldn't say I'm like an extreme germaphobe, that I have issues for sure. I would put my credit card in here. So many things in here. I'm like, where's my phone? In here. So the power button is on and that's it. You would think I would know because I just read the instructions. Let me read them again. Yeah, the light is just on. It's not blinking. It's not doing anything. Once it's done, it says that this light will shut off. There's nothing else in here. So the last thing I got was this cereal dispenser. Because Rai loves cereals. The thing is, the handle to open up the thing where the cereals are, they're really up here. So he actually opens it from the bottom. It's the cutest thing. Every time he's just like, you know, he doesn't struggle. Like I said, he's very independent. But I just want to make his life a little bit easier with the stools and with this. It's cleaner, less messy. It's great. Your cereal doesn't get soggy or hard or however your cereal gets after you leave it open. So I was like, this is great. This is a great investment. I definitely need it. And now we wait for my phone to be sanitized. The light is still on. While we wait for that, I know some of you want to see how this drink looks because clearly I got scammed. I kind of want to smell it. I'm like going like this because only my left nostril works right now. I don't know. It's not bad. So yes, wish me luck. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna let you guys know what is up. If this is something you guys are interested in, if you're like me, you want to answer, like you want a solution. I just want to pull it out right now. I want to pull out my phone, but I'm not because I want it to work. But the fact that this doesn't have like an on or off button, it triggers me. How do I know that this is working? I don't know. I want to peek. Oh wait, I just want to take it out. This is so tempting. Oh, okay, the light is off. Hi, phone. I don't know, it feels the same. Well, no, it feels the same, but it's germ free. Alright guys, so that's all. This is what I spent $1,000 on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I stay doing this a lot with other websites as well, like other stores. If you guys want to see those type of unboxing, just let me know under the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed already, and yeah, happy holidays.